just starting to pull the rear fender off my bike. If Tina comes around, she'll show you what it looks like now. There she goes, look at that. This is the start of the 1969 Ironhead project. Yeah. You have a look at all the pipes are all off, they're all over there, everything's coming together quite nicely. Coming off quite nicely actually. So if you want to watch me do a little bit of wrenching, I'm going to carry on and show you how to remove a rear fender.
Oh my god.
And here we go, it's all 1/2 inch. There ain't no metric shit on this baby, I'll tell you that. Everything's standard. Old 69 Ironhead. And here she goes. If she hangs around long enough, I'll get this fender off for you and I'll start pulling the motor in about 20 minutes. It's coming. Unfortunately, with these older Harleys, you need hands like a Jap. Little hands, which I don't have. So, oh, here we go. Let's just push this out. And rear fender is off. You can see what's left here. There's not much. I'm going to send this away for a training video eventually, hopefully. Okay, great.
Is that good?
Yeah.